So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my shower video for you guys. This is kind of similar to the hygiene routine video that I did like almost 2 years ago, maybe like a year and a half ago. But today I'm just going to be talking about all the products in my shower specifically because I've been using a lot of new products over the past like 6 months, and I want to share with you guys some of the products that I've been using and share with you the products that I'm going to be repurchasing and the products that are not so impressive that I probably will not be repurchasing. So it's a lot of products. Now that I'm looking at all my products here, I should probably minimize the amount of products that I have in my shower by looking at all this stuff. This is way too much to have in your shower. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and hop right into the video because like I said, it's a lot of stuff. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with hair because that's like the most products that I have in my shower usually. This has actually been in my shower for a while. This pump is actually broke, but yeah, whatever. This is a shampoo. It's a very large shampoo, as you can see. This is from the brand Weedad Curl Experts, and this is their Ultra Nourishing Cleansing Oil. So this is basically like a hydrating shampoo. So this is their version of a cleansing oil, but it doesn't come out oily. It just comes out like a honey colored shampoo, and it's super moisturizing. So this is probably like one of my favorite shampoos to use. So I like to use this shampoo not just when I need to clarify, but just like on a regular day if I feel like I need to get some product out of my hair. So I'll probably end up using this today after I take this bun out. But yeah, I really like this shampoo. This is 33.8 fluid ounces, and this has lasted me like almost a year. I've had this whole bottle for like a year, and I still have like a lot left in here. So I really like this. So I will probably keep repurchasing this because it's pretty bomb. Okay, next I have another shampoo. This is from the brand Gasu, I think that's how you say it. You can find this at Sephora. This is their honey infused hair wash. So this is a honey infused shampoo. It's a very unique formulation. It looks pretty much like honey almost, but I was kind of disappointed in this because I thought it would be a lot more moisturizing, but it's not. Maybe it would be for hair that's not as dry as mine. If you have curly hair, this is not that moisturizing of a shampoo. It's honestly low-key for me like a clarifying shampoo, so I actually like it when I need to get a ton of product out of my hair. I was just kind of disappointed because I thought it would be more moisturizing. It's not a bad shampoo, I just thought it would be a lot more moisturizing than it is. So I probably won't repurchase this because it didn't live up to my expectations, but it's still a good clarifying shampoo, but it doesn't market itself that way. So it doesn't say clarifying on the bottle or anything. So yeah, it's just a nice shampoo. It's not like groundbreaking or anything. I have another shampoo. Oh my gosh, I have so many shampoos in my shower. So this is one of my favorite shampoos ever. You guys know I'm obsessed with the deep conditioner from this line from Shea Moisture. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. Obsessed with this stuff. Super moisturizing. So this is probably like one of my like top 3 favorite shampoos for my curls. I'm obsessed with this stuff. So I like to use this shampoo maybe like every 2 weeks because I used to only shampoo once a month, but now I find myself having to shampoo more like when I'm trying out new products and I have products that don't work in my hair, so I'm trying to like get rid of all the product before I do like a fresh wash and go. But this one is really nice if you find yourself washing your hair more but you don't want to dry your hair out. This is amazing. Okay, so the next shampoo I have is from Maelle Organics, and this is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. And this is infused with biotin, and it says it encourages growth. I really like this shampoo if I have like a really itchy scalp. So this kind of gives like the same effect as like my Aveda Rosemary Mint shampoo, which is one of my favorite shampoos ever. So this is very similar to that. This is just a little bit more moisturizing than the Aveda Rosemary Mint shampoo. Which I love about this one. So this is really nice and clarifying and gets like rid of itchy scalp for me, but it's also not drying. So I love this shampoo. So I'll keep buying both of these. These are amazing. This is probably the newest set of shampoo and conditioners that I've been using. This is from Fakai, and this is their Shea Butter Shampoo and Conditioner. I have the conditioner upside down because it's easier to get out. This is their Intense Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. I actually got this in a PR package. I like this, but I'm not like obsessed with it, so I probably won't like buy this myself, but it was nice. Okay, so next I have another set of shampoo and conditioners. This is from the brand Heritage. This is their Gentle Daily Shampoo and their Deep Moisture and Restore Conditioner. So I like the conditioner a lot more than I like the shampoo. As you can see, I haven't really used that much of the shampoo. The shampoo's okay, I'm not like obsessed with it. I really do love the smell of these though. Like out of all of the products that I'm mentioning, this is probably like the best smelling to me. I really like how these smell. It kind of smell like kind of sweet a little bit. Out of the two of these though, I would probably repurchase the conditioner. This is really good to co-wash because I like to use this to co-wash sometimes. You probably can't tell, but it's like down here. I'm pretty much out of this, so I need to get another one. The shampoo probably won't repurchase, but I love the conditioner. I hope I'm not going too fast for you guys, but it's a lot of products up here and I just didn't want this video to be too long-winded, so yeah. So next I have another conditioner. This is like an OG fave of mine. This is from Shea Moisture. This is their Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner with sea kelp and argan oil for dry, damaged hair. So this was probably one of the first products that I've ever tried from Shea Moisture, and I must say, I'm obsessed. This still lives up to the hype for me. They have a really good deep conditioner from this line as well. This is also another product I like to co-wash with on a weekly basis. So this is a really, really good product. So yeah, it just says heal, grow, and strengthen. So this is just a really good conditioner just to always have in my shower for me to reach for to co-wash. So yeah, I love, love, love this conditioner. So this is the only mask that I currently have in my shower because I had the matching mask to this shampoo, my Manuka Honey, but y'all know that's my favorite mask and I use it super, super fast. I don't have any more, but I'm always gonna repurchase that. This is the only one in my shower right now though. This is from Fakai. It's the matching deep conditioner to the shampoo and conditioner. This is their Shea Butter Intense Mask. This mask is actually really nice. I would actually repurchase this. Not so much the shampoo and conditioner like I said, but I would repurchase this mask. It smells like cake batter or something with a hint of cocoa butter because of the shea butter in it. It's really nice. I like it a lot. But yeah, this is like a really nice thick creamy mask, so it's not too thick and I feel like it's not like too like thin either, if that makes sense. So this is just a really good overall deep conditioner that I feel like anybody would really like. I like to use this when I'm trying to do like a quick deep conditioner, hence why it's in my shower. So like I'll leave it in while I'm shaving or something, or while I'm exfoliating, or both. So yeah, I will probably repurchase this. And I think they sell Fakai products at Target, if I'm not mistaken. I have seen them in there. So I think this is the last hair product. Yes, this is the last hair product, y'all. This I've actually already talked about in a favorites video. This is from Pattern Beauty. This is the Scalp Serum Invigorate and Cool. So this is excellent if you have dry, itchy scalp. I'm telling y'all, this has saved my scalp. I'm obsessed with this stuff. You guys heard me go on and on about this in the favorites video. I think it's our most recent favorites, if I'm not mistaken. I'm obsessed with this stuff. It has peppermint oil, citric acid, has aloe leaf juice, mentha, castor seed oil. So I like that it balances the scalp out. So not only does it help with itching, it also has castor oil in here, so you get some nice moisture on the scalp while you're getting rid of, you know, that dry, itchy scalp. Like, I hate that feeling. I will be buying more of these. This stuff is bomb. Okay, so now moving on to some body products. I actually have less body products. I'm sure y'all are not surprised by that. But I've just been doing my hair in the shower more lately because it's just way more convenient versus me doing it at the sink. I actually don't think I've done my hair at the kitchen sink in like a year. I just prefer to do it in the shower now. It's way more convenient. The only thing I hate about doing my hair in the shower is that I'm in the shower way longer. And like I get water in my ear, and I have very sensitive ears from having an ear infection years ago. So that's the only annoying thing about doing my hair in the shower, but it's way more convenient, not gonna lie. So currently the body wash that's in my shower is this Necessaire one. As you can see, it's pretty empty. It's like all the way down here. This is the Necessaire Eucalyptus body wash. This is my favorite scent from this line, from this brand. Favorite scent, hands down. And I've tried the sandalwood and the bergamot, but this one is my favorite. I will keep repurchasing this. The only thing I hate about this is how small this is. Oh, this smells so relaxing. It smells like a spa. But I wish they made a pump, like a nice big industrial size, like the size of my Weedad shampoo. That would be nice. It's super convenient. Yeah, I hope they do that, because that would probably be like the only body wash that I would like buy. I'm lying, I would probably buy more body wash. But I would like to not have to buy this so often because of the size. So, still obsessed with this stuff, gonna keep repurchasing it. So the next body wash is a new favorite. I actually got this in PR with like the matching lotion. This is from the brand Hey Humans. And I actually saw this brand at Target, and I got the Apple Matcha body wash This one is my favorite scent because when I was in Target today, I smelled some of the other scents. Like they have like a rose one, they have like a lavender vanilla one, but this one is my favorite. It smells so good. It smells amazing. This is probably like one of the best smelling body washes I've ever smelled. And I wanted to get another one. I was in Target today, but they didn't have any of the apple matcha one. So I'll probably have to order another one online. But if you guys can get your hand on the Hey Humans Apple Matcha Naturally Derived Body Wash, I highly recommend. I also like this packaging. It's made from recyclable aluminum. So I really like that. It says recycle me, so I do recycle. But yeah, I love this body wash. If you guys have been curious about this brand and you've seen it in Target, I highly recommend the body wash. It doesn't dry out your skin. It's like a nice gel formula. It's not like a cream body wash, it's like a gel formula, but it doesn't dry out the skin. Now the matching lotion on the other hand of this, no, it's like Suave, aka it don't work for black people. You're still gonna be ashy if you buy the lotion, but the body wash, it's lit. Next is something that I have been really liking. This is from the brand OC. I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand before, but I have like a body oil from them that I really like, but this is their V-Cleanse. I mean, the name speaks for itself, V-Cleanse. It really helps with pH balance. It just says it's hypoallergenic. So I only use about 2 pumps of this before I go in and wash my body, and I really like it. Really good product. I really like this. If you've been looking for like a feminine wash, I highly recommend trying this one out because I've tried the, what's the name? The Summer's Eve one. I used to use that one, but I stopped using it because it really wasn't doing anything good or bad. It was just a waste of money, to be honest. But since I've been using this one, I really like it. By the way, any feminine wash is just for outside of your lady area. It's not for inside, so keep that in mind. The inside is self-cleaning. At least that's what my gynecologist told me. Okay, so next I have 2 scrubs to mention. We're coming down to the home stretch. I got a few more products. Okay, so this one you guys saw me talk about in our most recent favorites video. This is the First Aid Beauty KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, safe for sensitive skin. I also mentioned this in our fragrance-free skincare video. So this stuff is bomb. You guys heard me rave about this already. It's wet, it has water dripping from it. So yeah, this is probably like the only body scrub that I'll ever use. I used to use Tree Hut a lot, but they're so fragrant and I didn't realize how much it was irritating my skin. So I'm just gonna stick with this one. It's amazing. It makes your skin super glowy when you get out of the shower. Super soft. I'm obsessed with this stuff. It's pretty much like a dupe for the KP Duty from Dr. Brandt, but I honestly like this better because the beads are slightly smaller than those. It's not as irritating on the skin. So this is great for all skin types, especially sensitive. And I know if you have like sensitive skin on your body, it might be kind of hard to find a body scrub that doesn't irritate your skin, but I highly recommend giving this one a try. They do have this in like travel size on Sephora, so you can like buy that one and see how you like it before you commit to the big one. So I'm obsessed with this stuff. The next one is from the brand Wishful. This is the Yo Detox Face and Body Enzyme Scrub. And honestly, this really doesn't do anything for me. It really doesn't have any beads in it, which is probably better for the face, but it doesn't really do anything for the body. So I'm not sure why they market this as a face and body enzyme scrub, because it does nothing for my body. So will not be repurchasing that. Okay, so next I have a shaving cream to mention. This is from Aveeno. This is their Positively Smooth Shave Gel. Helps you shave less often, helps prevent nicks, cuts, and razor bumps. It has soy, aloe, and vitamin E in it. Y'all, this is amazing. I know Kendra mentioned a fragrance-free shaving cream in our fragrance-free sensitive skin video, but this one might be another one you guys want to add to your shower because it's amazing. It's super moisturizing. It makes your skin so soft after you shave. And I don't even have to shave as often as I used to ever since getting laser hair removal over the past couple of years. Laser hair removal is like heaven sent, honestly, especially if you're hairy like I am. I used to have to shave like every single week, but now I literally only shave probably 2 times a month ever since I got laser hair removal. My hair just doesn't grow at the same rate that it used to ever since I started getting laser hair removal. So if you've been thinking about laser hair removal, I highly recommend it. I've gotten it on my legs and I've gotten it under my arms. Makes the biggest difference. So I don't have to use this as often, but when I do use it, it's amazing. It makes the skin super soft, and like it says, it helps prevent nicks, cuts, and razor bumps. It's amazing. It's like super creamy. It comes out like as a gel, but it turns into like this nice cream. This is the razor that I like to use. Like I said, when I shave, only like once every 2 weeks, like twice a month now. So I think when I get like maybe like 2 or 3 more sessions, I probably won't have to shave at all anymore. So, but this is from Gillette. I prefer men's razors. They just give you a closer shave. Men's razors just work way better. So if you've been looking for a good razor, I highly recommend the Gillette razors. They're just way better. Okay, so next you're gonna be like, Kelsey, girl, what is that? This is African black soap. It looks a little weird, but it's amazing. This is like raw African black soap. This one, I forgot the brand, but I found it on Amazon. So be very specific and particular when you're looking for African black soap, because all of them are not created equal. Some of them don't do anything to your skin. Like the Shea Moisture one, that one honestly is not raw organic African black soap. It's not this. So I'm gonna try to find a link for this, like an Amazon link for you guys, because that's where I got this one from. And it used to be like a big block, and this is what I have left. So this has lasted me like over a year. I only use this on my back. So this is great if you have acne. I know if you're a curly girl and like if your hair has product in it, you get breakouts. Like when you're wearing like cute, like, you know, tops, you don't want to like have bumps on your back. So African black soap is like heaven sent for me when it comes to acne. I haven't had acne since I started using African black soap on my back, and I use it in conjunction with this back brush. This is also from Amazon. This thing is amazing. It has like a rougher side, which I'm guessing is for like dry brushing or something, but I don't dry brush. I use the softer side, and it's really, really nice on the back when I'm in the shower. So I'll like take some of the African black soap, emulsify it in my hand, and then put it on this side, and then I'll just scrub my back. I'm telling y'all, no more acne. Trust me. Okay guys, so that's it. I actually went through this a lot faster than I thought, because when I first looked at all of these products, I was like, Kelsey, this is ridiculous. This is way too much to have in your shower. So I'm probably gonna get rid of half of this stuff, put some of it in the hair closet, because it all don't need to be in the shower at the same time. But yeah, I will have a link to all of the products that I will be repurchasing. I'm not going to be linking all the products that I will not be purchasing. So yeah, don't forget to check out the description box if you guys want to check out any of these products. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time.